creating their own instruments, and making music together. Art teachers from across the district are at Ladies Island Middle School taking part in an exciting and engaging professional development session. The Musical Tellings Workshop is being led by a professional musician who is creatively connecting music to literacy.
Anytime that you can connect with music and literacy together, you're making some kind of connections that make schools very happy. Principals and district offices, they really want literacy connections. And if they find that the arts can use this to make connections, that's really one of the beautiful things. And this is kind of what this whole idea of arts integration is all about, is that the arts are a powerful force to connect to other curriculum subjects as well. So you look at them from a different aspect and a different kind of point of view.
The teachers are getting creative, using recycled materials to build their own unique musical instruments.
I had brought some rice and some toilet paper tube, and so I put duct tape together, put the rice inside, and made a shaker. I also attempted to make a guitar out of a paper towel roll, but the paper towel roll wasn't strong enough. So luckily I had somebody sitting at my table that made a guitar over a big cardboard box, so we were able to use that.
There was some cardboard tubes that I cut to create what in my classroom is a boom whacker, which is just a plastic tube that you bang with, and so I just sort of played around with that and figured out a couple of pitches with that.
After building their instruments, the educators are working together to write a musical story.
I gave them some simple indications of how to build and play these musical instruments, and right now what they're doing is they're taking these instruments and transforming them into a story. So they'll tell a story using their musical instruments. That's the combination of the music and literacy.
The teachers are having lots of fun performing their musical stories.
It was noisy and chaotic.
These educators are excited to share these hands-on activities with their students.
It's a great way to bring stories to life and make reading and writing much more interesting for students. The buses arrived and horns tooted with glee. Music brings an element of creativity. It also brings a level of emotion that you can connect to the reading or to writing that helps students to be engaged.
The Music Literacy Workshop was made possible by the Art Center of Coastal Carolina at Ladies Island Middle School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.